50 Basic Foods Vocabulary Phrases. To improve your English. The milk frothed perfectly. The butter melted slowly. He cooked with passion. The pizza cooked evenly. She grated fresh cheese. The bread dough rose. He diced the onions. The garlic cloves minced. The cheese was tangy. The egg yolks separated. The beef sizzled nicely. She rolled the dough. He whisked the batter. The veggies roasted beautifully. The salmon grilled perfectly. She chopped the lettuce. The chicken marinated overnight. He spread the mayonnaise. The bacon crisped up. The sauce thickened nicely. She toasted the buns. He seasoned the meat. The berries were juicy. The turkey cooked slowly. She added fresh herbs. The steak was tender. He boiled the potatoes. The noodles cooked al dente. The bread was crusty. She baked the pie. He mixed the salad. The sauce simmered gently. The onions caramelized perfectly. The chicken broth boiled. She fried the fish. He blended the smoothie. The noodles were saucy. The tomatoes were ripe. The shrimp were fresh. She seasoned with salt. He cooked with love. The dish was flavorful. The doughnuts were fluffy. The omelet was fluffy. The vegetables were colorful. She drizzled with honey. He barbecued the ribs. The chilies were spicy. The vinegar added tang. The pesto was aromatic.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. I appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.